Overview of how to migrate email from Google Workspace using an automated batch migration _2. Welcome to M365 Professional. When you are ready to migrate your users' email calendars and contacts from Google Workspace to Microsoft 365, you can use the batch migration tool in the Exchange Admin Center. This tool is useful if you need to migrate users and batches over time as you transition your business over to Microsoft 365. This way, you can keep your two different environments active until you are finished. As you migrate groups of user email accounts, the batch migration tool will give you details on the status of each migration, issues it encounters when the email sync is complete, and when the admin can complete the batch. While you can still manually do a batch migration, it's recommended that you do an automated batch migration, which does some of the required migration tasks in your Google Admin Console for you. If you are migrating a small number of users and plan to migrate everyone at once, migrating by exporting your emails using a PST file is also an option. For your automated batch migration to be successful, it is important to perform several prerequisite tasks, which you can see in more detail at aka.ms/Google Migration. Setting up subdomains for email routing is an important prerequisite before you begin your batch migration. If you plan to do multiple batches, and if you plan to have a coexistence scenario, keeping both environments for a period of time, this allows for email to properly route to use your email accounts you have migrated to Microsoft 365, and email from your migrated users to properly route to your Google Workspace users. While you reign the process of transitioning your business from one environment to the other, to learn how to do an automated batch migration, see aka.ms/Google Auto Migration. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.